Good morning, everyone. Before we start, let's introduce ourselves. I'm Crystal Joy Castisimo.
I'm Monte J. De Leon.
I'm Hannah Casey Carnate. I'm Rita Casimir. I'm Jessica Bagay.
I'm James Magsib.
I'm Melson Malinap.
Before I start, may I ask a question? Because as far as I know, that we love and enjoy going out, especially when shopping and all. And from that, have you ever thought how this corporation builds? Or maybe who's the person behind these successful malls? Today, we will be talking about supermalls or SM Corporation. We will be aware how it is started. First, SM story is an extraordinary story of one man with a simple dream to sell a good pair of shoes to every Filipino. In the late 1950s, our founder Henry C. started his first company, which is the Shoe Mart, a small shoe store in Corriedo, Manila. Fueled with the passion to serve his customers better every day, he found different ways to provide excellent customer experience, anticipating their needs and innovating retail so that every Filipino can enjoy the SM experience. Third, having a deep understanding of teamwork, Henry C. worked and grew alongside his suppliers. He served. Through the years, we continued to build of these aspirations as SM fulfills its role in building sustainable business that are catalysts for responsible development in the communities we serve. Today, SM became the country's largest conglomerate, touching the lives of millions of Filipinos and creating shared value for all that serve. And that's how it started, which is Henry C. who did the SM Corporation. He started with the Shoe Mart. As you can see in the photo, that's his first store in Corriedo, Manila. Next one.
Let's watch the story of SM Corporation. Teamwork and growth. Having a deep understanding of teamwork, Henry C. worked and grow alongside his suppliers. He looked after his employees and helped the communities to serve.
Legacy and growth. After 6 decades, Henry C. values are upheld by the second and third generation of the C family, working alongside thousands of employees with shared sense of purpose committed improving the quality of life communities we serve. SM Corporation is pushing ahead with a solid growth track of market-leading investments. Next. Mission should light a path for how the organization can get there. Vision, sustainability is the heart of our vision. Build an ecosystem of sustainable businesses. Next.
Growth aggressive expansion in the means that SM Corporation plans to grow its business by entering markets that are currently not well served by other companies. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-expand sa mga underserved areas, layunin ng SM na makakuha ng bagong mga customer at madagdagan ang kanilang market share. Capital. 70 to 80 billion pesos, USD 1.5 to 1.7 billion. Ito ay nagpapahiwatig ng halaga ng puhunan na plano ng SM Corporation na ilaan sa kanilang mga proyekto sa paglago at pag-unlad nila. So, with 70 to 80 billion pesos at it is costal equivalent to USD 1.5 to 1.7 billion, SM can fund its aggressive expansion plans and support its business operations. Next, portfolio. Sustained delivery from all core businesses. Layunin ng SM Corporation na siguruhin patuloy na maganda ang performance ng lahat ng kanilang core businesses at maghatid ng magandang resulta. Sa pamamagitan ng focus sa pagpapanatili ng patuloy na maganda ang performance ng lahat ng kanilang core businesses at maghatid ng magandang resulta. Sa pamamagitan ng focus sa pagpapanatili ng performance ng kanilang core businesses, magagawa ng SM na manatiling competitive at mapalakas ang kanilang overall growth. Next. Expansion plans. New markets, new opportunities. SM Corporation's expansion plans involve targeting new markets and exploring new opportunities for growth. By venturing into new markets and sa pagkuha ng mga emerging opportunities, makakapag-diversify ang SM ng kanilang revenue streams at mapalawak ang kanilang presence sa iba't ibang industriya. Next, key factors for success. Vision and leadership. Clear vision, strong leadership. So, having a clear vision and strong leadership is crucial in guiding the company in the right direction. So, ang pagkakaroon ng vision ay nagbibigay ng layunin at gabay sa lahat ng empleyado, while effective leadership drives them to achieve these goals. Next, innovation and marketing. New ideas, effective marketing. Being innovative and having effective marketing strategies are essential to remain compelling and engaging to customers. So, ang pagbuo ng mga bagong ideya at paggamit ng epektibong pamamaraan sa marketing ay magbibigay daan sa kumpanya na manatiling kahanga-hanga at makabago sa kanilang industriya. Next, customer-centric. Focus on customer needs. Being customer-centric demonstrates a commitment to understanding and meeting customers' needs. By prioritizing customer feedback and responses, ang SM Corporation ay nagbibigay ng importansya sa feedback at reaksyon ng kanilang mga customer upang mapabuti ang kanilang mga produkto at serbisyo. Next, operations and adaptability. Efficient operations adapt to change. So, ang pagiging epektibo sa operasyon at kakayahang mag-angkop sa pagbabago ay nagbibigay ng kakayahan sa kumpanya na magpatuloy at magtagumpay sa anumang sitwasyon. Ang pagiging mabilis sa pag-adjust sa mga pagbabago sa market at teknolohiya ay nagbibigay ng competitive edge sa SM Corporation. Next slide. Analysis. External factor about opportunity. Operating in the international market, especially emerging markets. Some of the smaller retail chains are visible through advertising for the customer a aggravation of more points between generating a street and rated market, especially 25, yung rating and 4 yung rating. Realistic to advertising and customer focused services don't compete in rate and rating is great. Safety score is at 20.5. malls are starting to establish rate their point to and the rating is 4. Rated score is their point 8. Labor unit and Hudson are not very happy. Next one. Opportunities. Disposable income of the customer. Yung weight niya is 0.15 and those union are not very healthy. Yung weight niya is 0.15 and rating is 3. Weighted score is 0.45. The total is in weight are 1 and weighted score is 3.55. Next.
SWOT analysis for internal factor evaluation matrix. Strength. SM is the Philippines' most dominant player in retail with over 45 stores. The weight is 0.35, rating is 4, and weighted score is 1.4. 180 plus stores nationwide. The weight is 0.2, rating is 3, and weighted score is 0.6. Subsidiaries are SM Prime Holdings, PSC, SMPH, SM Development, PSC, SMDC, and etc. 0.1 is the weight and the rating is 2, and the weighted score is 0.2.
For the weaknesses, not present in many countries. For the weight is 0.15, for the ratings is 3, for the weight 0.45. Lack online shipping and e-commerce. For the weight is 0.2, for the rating is 3, for the weight is 0.6, for the total of 3.45. That's all things.
I conclude that SM Corporation has a successful company. They started it with a small shoe mart, and because of its mission and vision, it is a successful corporation. It has a lot of franchises or branches in the whole country. That's all. Thank you.